Hello, nothing much, just wanted to share what I've done so far. So these cross sections of Fallopian tubes, I'm taking it using my Samsung Galaxy S8 phones. I've been taking around 257 serial images at 40 times magnifications. So you can see this is just very clear, very nice cross section of Fallopian tubes. So doing some processing on my computer, so I managed to patch all of these images into one big image, sort of making like slide scanner. So you can see that we can zoom in and zoom out. So if you wanted to see or wanted to appreciate the details of the images, because I took almost all of these images using a 40 times magnification, so the nuclear features and also the cellular features is usually good. So you can see here this one blood vessels, and you can see red blood cells within it. So if you wanted to see clear, you can magnify it until maximum zoom, so you can see this is just one red blood cells. And if you zoom out, you can see this one blood vessels. You can see if you wanted to see the endothelial cells that are lining the blood vessels, here it is. So this is one nucleus of endothelial cells. There is another one. So you zoom out a little bit just to navigate. This is one big medium-sized arterioles. You can see the smooth muscle that forming the walls, and then you can zoom out again to see the whole cross sections. So so we can also see the lining of the Fallopian tubes here. So you can zoom it. You can see all of these papillary projection of the Fallopian tubes folds. So this is one papillary projection. So if you want to see the more details on the lining of the Fallopian tubes, you can zoom in a little bit more. Here you can see this is one nucleus of it. You can also appreciate the cilia of the linings. So remember, the Fallopian tube is made up of it's lined in the inner lumen is lined by columnar epitheliums with cilia. You can see this, some cilia projection. You can appreciate it. We go higher, so this you can see the ciliar projections at the towards the lumen here. So there's another projection there. Zoom out a little bit. You can see this hyperchromatic cells with clear cytoplasm. Is the fasciculated cells that are usually present in the lining of the Fallopian tubes. Go higher. Appreciate the nuclear feature. You can see it's very hyperchromatic compared to the adjacent Fallopian tubes epithelial. The nucleus of the epithelium of the Fallopian tubes. So a bit hyperchromatic, and the cytoplasm is a bit clear compared to the rest. And what else you can see? So apart from that, the Fallopian tubes is also made up of small muscles just beneath the epithelial lining, and that lines the lumens. So you can see this all the smooth muscles cells has an elongated nucleus like so, and here and so, and this one is another small muscle nucleus of the smooth muscles. You can see also some small capillaries here lined by these endothelial cells. So as you go low power, you can scroll up a bit more. Yeah, this is another part of small muscles. So you can go higher. Sorry, too high, you cannot appreciate it properly. So this is another bundles. This one bundles of smooth muscle. So there's a lot of formed by a lot of smooth muscle, and the nucleus is there. So you can see this black spot here. So this one the field that I miss, my picture. So I miss these fields, so it will become black like that. So apart from that, you can see that it is a bit wobbly here. So this is just this one field, this is another fields, and so there's patched together to make this one giant or massive image. Sort of you get if you catch, or you shoot your slides using the slide scanner. So but we don't have that facilities right now, so we need to come up with whatever we have just to survive. So yeah, this is another method to facilitate in teaching and learning. So you can use these images in teaching all sort of things, including anatomy, anything that use a microscope or have an eyepiece. For example, if you are in ophthalm, you use that eyepiece to capture the images of retina. You can also use this thing. They're almost the same. So yeah, it's a good thing to explore on, and it might help you in teaching and also learning with using whatever you have around you. So you need to be more creative and more innovative with whatever you have. So with that, goodbye, and hope you enjoy this video.